Alright, so what are we doing today?
Double din radio.
Double din radio in the Jeep Cherokees. What'd you get here? What's this?
Sony X something whatever 3000. Stop moving it so much. AX. It's a 3000 model. It was midway with the infinity screen and all the other.
So this couldn't be easier to install. Come over here. You get these brackets with it, and instead of mounting here and, well, yeah, instead of mounting just here, they now mount here and on this lower one, right? So that's your top one. All you do on this side is you cut this out. So you just go right there, take that out, and that bracket does the exact same thing, but on that side. So it's mounted to. I
still gotta cut it regardless.
You having fun with that vent?
No.
So you have to transfer your vents over, and if they come apart, whew, they're kind of fun to put back together. How many times did you? Yep.
Tedious.
Yeah. So I'm gonna leave you to work on that.
Yeah,
thanks. Meanwhile, I'm just wiring stuff up. I forgot that we had run separate wires for the door speakers because Chrysler wiring is garbage. So I'm just finishing up the harness real quick. Use a quick harness. Don't ever waste your time with trying to wire one wire at a time. The quick harness is $8 and it saves you so much work, but we're doing this one right, so let's continue wiring this up. Boom. Whoa. Do you got enough black ice in here, Brandon?
No.
Oh, okay.
Need more.
Just check.
Have more.
Oh boy. I don't know. That's a lot of stench there, pal.
Yeah.
All right, so those are all wired. I got one more speaker wire to do. Gray solid. You still fighting with it? You're still battling with it, huh? What's got you now?
I gotta flip everything around. It's supposed to go on like this, and that gear is supposed to be facing towards me. And it's not.
That's so terrible. All right, I'm just gonna keep heat drinking this stuff. Moving on. Boom. I'd call that done, right? We'll just leave it just like that. It's perfect. He'll never notice. All right, maybe he'll notice. He's still fighting with his vents, by the way. It's been like 20 minutes, and he just keeps cursing from the garage. So we're going to continue on our end and start getting that post removed and get these brackets mounted. All right, now comes the fun part. We got to cut this piece off, and I think I'm just going to hit it with this guy right here and just work at it. I don't know, something like that. And that'll work. And that came off pretty easily. I'm actually quite impressed on how well that cut off. I didn't think it was gonna. Yeah, you're gonna break the shaft back. I'm making a mess. Make a mess in your Jeep. I'm surprised. What do they say? Measure twice, cut once. Yeah. Well, I mean, one's broken off. That's the problem. So you should be transferring, at least transfer the clips over that we have. So they're kind of a pain. You should really pay. Yes. Yes. So you have to transfer the clips over. He's going to go do that. And I'm keep working on this. I had to cut a bunch more. It's a conservative cut on the instructions, but honestly, it has to be cut back further than that screw right there for the left mount, that ear to fit on it. I'll show you when it's all put together. All right. Well, after test fitting a few times and you fighting with those clips, and I think we got most of the clips over, right?
Yeah. 5 out of 6. Good enough.
It ain't bad. I just want the American people to know that they still have 5 and 6 branches of government working for them. And 2 out of 3 covered. Right? That's current times. So yeah, right now we're just to timestamp where we are in life. Still dealing with COVID-19 everywhere we turn, and our president is in the hospital with COVID-19.
I want the people to know that they still have 2 out of 3 branches of the government working for them, and that ain't bad.
test fit number 364. What? Right?
67.
367. We test fit this over and over and over. We may have grounded it to its chassis so that it acts like it's in park, so that we can access the Android Auto typing all the time. I smell like what? You smell like beans?
Smell like beans.
What's your problem?
No.
All right, so let's see. That's pretty straightforward. We had to angle it a little bit more. We got to run one self-tapper in for this side over here. I could see that on camera. Yeah, there's no hole here, so we just got to run that guy in. And then put the bezel back on, and we'll test this out. Ooh, and that looks pretty good.
Yeah, we got to pull the bezel back off.
What?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's stuck in between.
That's the best part. What you're doing is the best part of any install. Ooh, so fancy. Oh no! Oh no! 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 Oh no! Oh, we're losing the things. Oh, it tore in the side.
Don't worry about it.
Can you put the microphone back in? Put it all back together? Now again, the microphone is going to be important for you to... Whoa! 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 Stop! 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 All right.
I'm slow.
Okay, so we're assuming that this is uncopyrighted and
double check.
It's not going to get really quiet. What, you can check?
No, I mean you can check online. Again, a lot of the Minecraft YouTubers use this as their opening for a long time. Back when I was still watching those videos. So
sounds good otherwise.
Yes. And that's with the back open, and there's a bunch of stuff in here, so the bass has nothing to vibrate off of.
Nice.
And that should punch too, because it has a little bass to it.
Whoa! Whoa! It's not punching because I don't have it turned up, but...
Yeah, it's punching enough.
And with that, we're going to end this one.
Yeah,
that is the Metra Double Din. I'll put the part number in the description below. It took us more time to do the wiring than it did to install the damn thing. We were just kind of futzing around most of the time.
Did we bother tell?
What?
I don't think we told.
What? No, I did. I told them how you broke that. But, we'll, that's whatever.
I only need one to work. This is pointing towards me. That's all I care
We'll pop
about.
one out of a junkyard car. It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
But in the meantime, that means another modification done on the G. Oh, yeah, just making sure that wasn't...
That's fine.
But wow.
I got to figure it out.
Factory, double din. Looks nice. Good seams. I'm really happy with the way it came out. I mean, it doesn't sit as flush as I'd like, but honestly, I think that's the way that this head unit is anyway. Yeah. Because if you look at his back bezel, the back bezel isn't secure. There was no extra bezels in the box, though. Yeah, so I mean, everything. Again, it's a double din in a car that was never supposed to have a double din, and your remote doesn't work. Ah, there you go.
It does work.
Not that you need a remote to go from there to there,
but it still is cool.
Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye.